In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up form in Elementor. So in order to add that particular newsletter sign-up form, what we can do is we can head over right here to our elementor.com and make sure that you have an account. You can click onto this login option right here or do this get started in order to create a new one. So Elementor is typically hosted by WordPress or WooCommerce. In this case, I'll head over and choose WordPress. So head over and click onto this login option if you already have an account, or click on this get started option if you do not have one yet. Now this is my dashboard on my actual Elementor on my actual WordPress. So in this case, let's head over and then edit a particular page that we wish to use. So you can see right here actual Elementor. So what you can do right here is you can just scroll down right here and you can see that on our pro option, you can see this forms right here. So this forms actually helps you to create newsletter sign up form. So on my case, I'm actually quite lazy for that, so I recommend you to use Command Ninja. Head over right here to your commandninja.com and click on this create widget. Click on the search option and search in here for a newsletter. You can see in here some pop-ups and you can also find in here some forms that you can actually use. We have in here social media RSS feeds, forms, video sliders, as well as pricing tables and the likes that you can see right here. So you can actually just choose which one you want. We have in here this form builder, so head over and click on this. So here it is right here. As you can see, this is an email subscription form, which is what we actually need for a newsletter sign up. So you can change in here the details that you wish to use as well as the fields, headers, and footers, post submissions option, and the likes. Once you're done, head over and click on this publish, save the widget, and then from in there, you can copy the code through this port, head over it here to your Elementor, and then from this port, just locate the HTML option. If you can find it, you can click on the search option and search in here for HTML and then add that right here. Now, once it's been added, you can just paste right here the code that we have copied earlier. And once it's been posted, it should be able to reflect in here. So here's our actual newsletter sign up form. Just head over and publish this once you're done. So that's how you add a newsletter sign up form in Elementor. Hope we helped.